What up, good people? Huge shout out to Hall Nissan for allowing me to review the 2018 Nissan Rogue. Today we are reviewing the 2018 Nissan Rogue Sport Edition. Right here we are looking at a 19-inch alloy wheel with a machine accent finish. We are looking at a 2.0 liter inline 4 pushing out 141 for the MPG Highway 32 City 25. Here's the sound of it. Now we're making our way inside of the vehicle. Right here is the analog gauge. On the left you have your engine temperature, on the right you have your gas gauge. In the middle you have a 7-inch colorful display. Now we're bringing it back to your steering wheel control. You have your Bluetooth and volume button alongside your cruise control settings. Also have blind spot detection. This particular model have the signal inside of the vehicle. The buttons over here have your dynamic driving assist alongside your traction control with your heated steering wheel, also with your all-wheel drive and eco. Beneath the button control you have your gas and hood release. On the door panel you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control, also with your mirror control. Right here is a 7-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay alongside Nissan Connect with your CD player. Also have a 360 backup camera. Now we're bringing it down to your dual climate control. Beneath the climate control you have your USB aux with a 12-volt outlet. You have a shift knob with your leather boot. This particular model is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Now we done made our way over to the cup holder area. We also have cup holders in the door panels. On this particular model you have heated seats. You have the center console for extra storage space. We done made our way up to your matte light and moonroof control. Also you have your SOS safety connect. Now we done made our way to the back of the vehicle. This part is very spacious. Back here you have your air vent. Also with your cup holder. We done made our way to the cargo area. Back here is very roomy.
Once again, huge shout out to Nissan for allowing me to review the 2018 Nissan Rogue. If you need any information about Nissan, I'll leave a link in the description below. Real quick, good people, don't forget to hit that like and that subscribe button. I look forward to seeing you next video.